Hi, this Geek Genius gonna teach you how to enable two-factor authentication for Fortnite. Open your browser and type Epic Games and open the first link, and then you will jump into official Epic Game website. Click on this profile icon, and now we will sign into our Epic Game account. After signing into your Epic Game account, again hover over on your profile and click on Account. Once you are in Account Settings page, select Password and Security. Scroll down, and here you will get two-factor authentication section. Here you will get total 3 methods to enable two-factor authentication. One is using an authenticator app, another is email verification, and the last one is SMS code verification. So right now we will use two-factor authenticator app to enable 2FA. So clicking on Setup, Continue. In this step, make sure you have installed an authenticator app on your mobile device. Then open the authenticator app on your mobile and scan this QR code. After scanning the QR code from authenticator app, you will get a 6-digit verification code. Just enter the code here from the authenticator app and click on Activate App. And that's it. This is how we can enable two-factor authentication on Fortnite. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribe to Geek Genius. Thank you for watching.